As we enter this time of reflection and meditation, I invite you to turn within. Close your eyes if it's comfortable. And just take a deep breath. For as Adam so beautifully said, we reside in intentional community here in this moment. And as we think about our word for today, courage. Courage. It means of the heart. And so I invite you to think about a time that required courage of you. Maybe a time that you had something to overcome. A time that you were down. A time that you were afraid. And yet you called on something bigger than yourself. You reached deep down and you took a step forward. Marianne Rodmacher says, courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is the quiet voice at the end of the day saying, I will try again tomorrow. Recognize that in that moment, however small the step you might have taken forward, or maybe it was a leap, you dug down deep to the heart of who you truly are. You called up that presence of God that is courage and strength and resilience, that holds us tenderly in our humanity and always at the same time invites us into a higher perspective, calling us to manifest that strength, that courage, that truth, that hope, that love, that compassion that is our true nature. As we call that up within ourselves, I just ask that you focus on that power, that feeling that you had as you overcame, as you took a step forward, that you allow that to rise up within you, to fill your whole being, feeling it vibrate throughout every cell of your body, every corner of your awareness, every inch of your heart. And as you activate that within you, see it move out from you. Feel it join with the others in this room and those online and those in the world that are right now holding prayers for peace. And as it joins together, as we come together in that intention, an intentional community, it grows ever stronger. If you need courage today, lean into that. If you're feeling courageous today, add to it. For that is who we are. So let us rest in the silence, just knowing that we vibrate with that power and that presence of courage, of truth, of light, of God in the silence. In this moment, we hold the beating heart of the world. Maya Angelou said, just like the moons and like the suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hopes springing high, still I rise. And so we rise from this moment knowing we carry the energy and intention that we have been a part of here, out into our lives, into our world, into every interaction of our week, in every situation that is before us, in every task that we are called to partake in. We are the light of the world. And so it is. Amen.